Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have dragged out my brother so he could check out the Lexus carbon fiber bits that I have just installed and get his reaction, see if he likes it or not. Let's get right into this video. Alright, so here is the Lexus. Oh, who is that? Who's that guy in my car?
That shit stink. Yo, what up everybody? Bully Kid here, checking in here with Bullet's Garage, and this video is gonna be a video about me reacting to the eBay lip kit. This is my second time, well, first time he just picked me up seeing this lip kit, and I tell you guys, in person, very nice. I know he told me he had some difficulties installing it, but again, in person, this thing looks dope.
Think about this lip kit, the side skirts, the front lip. What do you think?
All right, my opinion, looks great, especially from the front end. The car just looks lower and wider from the front end, which looks way more aggressive. It looks amazing. The side skirts look great. The carbon fiber weave and the gloss, because of your ceramic coating, looks way better than what I saw them originally. I don't know how I feel about this right here. It looks good. To me, I'm not used to these side splitters, so to me it seems like it's sticking out too far from the car, but that's just my opinion. I know that's how it is supposed to be installed, so that is fine. Personally, I know we talked about putting a rear lip on the bumper, but in my opinion, I don't think we need it, because now if you come around back, right now if you're looking at the car from the rear end, all you see is some beefy, juicy tires right now. And I love that. And if you were to put a little side piece right over here, I think it would block that juicy tire and the rear end. So I think this is good. I think this is good. I don't think we need any more lip kits. Let's throw on those Vossens sometime soon.
Yeah, buddy.
And let's do some beauty shots of this car. But man, good job, honestly.
Thank you, appreciate that.
What you made this car look is very good. I was Bullet's Garage fans, Lexus fans. I was really disappointed he bought this car when he bought it.
That's the truth right there for sure.
I wasn't feeling it. I think he like made a bad choice, right? But now how this car looks, I really like it, man. It's complete with the stance, with the lips, and it's only gonna get better. And if you keep subscribing, man, maybe we can throw a supercharger on it. What do you guys think?
Oh, that would be so awesome.
Anyway, guys, that's my opinion about this car. The eBay lip kits are pretty good, aside from whatever the installation hacks were, which I gotta watch that video still. Link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Bullet's Garage, and stay tuned, because like you said, a lot more content coming up this season.